Looks like the king of the demons isn't so tough.
The tree, it's dying.
And I call this one the Two Buns of Granite.
Oh, they're here, they're here.
Sweet! I've worked my whole life for this one moment. And now, it's finally here. My own officially licensed factory-made mint-conditioned Dragon Warrior action figures with theme. Look at me. I'm awesome.
He is pretty awesome. Then why don't you marry him?
I gotta go show these to Shifu and the guys.